Hi, my name is Marta Camila. I am 20 years old. I live in the city of Santa Marta. In my free time, I like to swim and draw. In my last vacation, I shared with my family. At this moment, I am living alone. I am studying psychology, and in my next vacation, I will go to the sea with my family. Receive a brownie with nuts and chocolate chips. Ingredients: 1 cup of butter or margarine, 2 eggs, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 cup of brown sugar packet, 2 cups of chopped walnuts. Steps: Step 1: Preheat the oven to 175 Celsius degrees. Step 2: Grease 80 by 18 inch 20 by 20 centimeter pan. Step 3: Combine butter or margarine with the chocolate chips in saucepan of on low heat until it melted. Do not overheat. After that, remove to a hot pot. Step 4: After beat eggs in mixed bowl until fruity and sugar and vanilla, but to mix. Add chocolate mixture to this mixture. Stir. Step 5: Next, flour and walnuts. Stir yolks until moisten. Step 6: Later, scrape butter into pan. Spread evenly. Step 7: Finally, bake in oven for 25 minutes. Cool brown before cutting. Smell and enjoy two brownies. Thank you. Bye bye.